Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
AutoCalculate is a tool that shows the results of simple functions in the status bar without requiring you to type a formula. The functions for which you can automatically show results are average, count, and sum by default. To use AutoCalculate, select a range of cells in the worksheet and then look at the right end of the status bar. You should then see these function names, followed by the results of that function for the range of cells you currently have selected. To change the functions AutoCalculate shows in the status bar, right-click the status bar. In the pop-up menu that appears, a list of the available function names appears. Any functions shown with a check mark in front of their names currently appear in the AutoCalculate section of the status bar. Unchecked functions do not appear here. You can click the name of a function in the pop-up menu to toggle its display in the autocomplete section of the status bar on or off.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.